If you need a special pasta that's ready in just about 20 minutes with a bit of heat, some lemon, some juicy shrimps, then this shrimp scampi recipe is just a dish amongst all the holiday madness that's going on. Once you have this once, you're gonna go for it again and again for weeknights, for dinners, and the full recipe is linked down below with all the right numbers. So go check that out and let's get started. So first thing, get a pot of water on a rolling boil for your pasta. Make sure you season it with salt and then add in your spaghetti. As the water is coming up to a boil, that's when I usually do all my other prep. So here are my shrimps, and I'm using jumbo shrimp here. Just remember, it's your duty to check for that notorious nerve on the back of those shrimps, even if you get the shrimps peeled. No one wants to eat that, and if you're not careful, you might be eating, Now jumbo shrimp works great for me, but to me it's more of the final presentation and how it looks with jumbos, but you can easily use the more standard 4150 size shrimps. As I'm peeling it, I'm going to leave a bit of that tail on the shrimp, and you'll see why in a bit. So as my spaghetti is cooking, I'm going to heat up a pan on medium heat and add some butter and olive oil. That olive oil will protect the butter from burning, and then you can add in your chopped up garlic. So don't use a garlic press here, just chop away with your knife, and it's really going to make a difference in the final dish. I've also added in some red chili flakes, and you can see that instantly. The chili flakes are transforming the flavors in that oil and the garlic. Once that garlic is lightly roasted, add the peeled shrimps and then season with salt and pepper. After about a minute and a half, flip the shrimps. You're gonna have a nice color. The tail would have turned nice on an orangish or red, and then we can deglaze the pan with some white wine. As that comes up to a simmer, also add the juice of one whole lemon. The pan right now is so packed full of flavor, and I'm so excited. The pasta's almost done and the shrimps are just looking lovely. Add the spaghetti when they're done with a touch of butter and mix that well. Add some pepper as well, and at this stage it really makes a big difference. And now for some more freshness and some color, add some fresh chopped flat parsley. I'm sharing this Italian favorite as part of the Mangia Re-Italia collab with plenty of other great YouTube cooks exploring Italian cuisine. So be sure to check out their channel, their contributions, and I'm gonna link all of that down below for you to find. And in the meanwhile, also let me know what seafood pasta is your favorite and what you would like to see me make for you next. Let's keep going. So once that's all mixed up, taste for seasoning, turn the heat off, and then add your Parmesan cheese. And how about you hit the subscribe button to bring restaurant flavors right to your home easily and efficiently. And as you can see, the shrimps have a great handle with the tail that we left on to easily help mop up that sauce and just enjoy the shrimp if you want to. And the dish is just looking incredible. And if you loved this quick and scrumptious shrimp scampi pasta, you are gonna love my shrimp and bacon fettuccine alfredo. Bye all.